Happy birthday to you. I wish you a wonderful year filled with health, happiness, and love. From the moment you were born, this day became special. You are truly a treasure. From the moment you were born into this world, this day became special, filled with light and joy. Your smile brightens every heart around you. You've always been our most precious treasure. Happy birthday, let's all celebrate. The watch is brighter just because you are here. Happy birthday, let's laugh and sing today. We'll hold this moment close to our hearts. Happy birthday, my sweet girl. You're my everything. In your eyes I see the stars and all the joy they bring. You're the